In this video, I am going to explain how to make a Ventoy pen drive. So you have to search Ventoy in the Google, then downloads, then click on downloads. Then click on windows.zip, then download latest version Windows, and then your download will start. Download this file, save this file, save, yes, your file have been downloaded. Then click on the folder, then extract it, and click on extract it. Once the file been extracted, open the extracted folder, then click on this tool Ventoy to disk and insert your pen drive in the your PC or laptop. Click on your pen drive name will be shown here. Click on install, type yes. Remember, your pen drive will be formatted, so make sure keeping backup of the data. Click on OK, yes, yes. Your Ventoy has been successfully installed on the device. Then close this software, then close everything, and